36 Chapter 5 Kingdom, Kings, and an Early Republic. Sankara woke up to see his grandparent all ready to go and vote. They wanted to the first to reach the polling booth, while Sankaran wanted to the now. Were they so excited, somewhat impatiently? His grandmother explained, "We can choose our own rules today. How some men become rulers. Choosing leader on rulers by voting is something that has become common during the last 50 years or so. How did men become ruler in the past around 3000 years ago? Some men become recognized as rajas by the performing big sacrifices. The Ashwamedh, or those who sacrificed, was only such rituals. A horse was let loose to wander freely and it was guarded by the Raja men. If he horse wandered into the kingdoms of other Rajas and they stopped it, they had to fight. If they allowed the horses to pass, it meant that they accepted that the Rajas who wanted to perform the sacrifice was stronger than them. The Rajas then divided to sacrifice, which were performed by specially 10 priests who were rewarded with gifts. The Raja who organized a sacrifice was recognized as being very powerful, and all those who came brought gift for him. The Raja was a central figure in this ritual. He often had a special seat, a throne, a tiger's skin, his dove who was his companion in the battlefield, and witness his exploit, chatted tales of his glory. His relatives, especially his wives and sons, had to perform a variety of minerals rituals. The other Rajas were simply specters who had to sit and watch the performance of sacrifice priest perform the rituals, including the sprinkling of sacred water on things. The ordinary people, Vishwavesha, also brought a gift. However, some people, such as those who were regarded as Sudra by this priest, were excluded for many rituals. Make a list of all those who would be present at the sacrifice, which are categories that are described in terms of the occupations. World. There were four social categories, namely Brahmin, Kshatriya, Vaishya, and Shudra. Brahmins were expected to study and teach. The Ved performed sacrifice and receive gift. Kshatriya were expected to fight battle and protect people. Vaishya were expected to the farmers, herder, and trader. The Shudra were expected to serve the other three groups. Janpad. The Rajas who performed these big sacrifices were now recognized as being Rajas of Janpad. Rather than Jana, the word Janpad literally means the land where the Jana set its foot and settled down. Some important Janpad are shown. Archaeologists have expected a numbers of settlement in these Janpad, such as the Purna Kila in Delhi, Hastinapur near Meerut, and Antapura near. Later, the two in Uttar Pradesh, they found that people lived in huts and kept cattle as well as other animals. They also grow variety of crop, rice, wheat, barley, place, sugarcane, seams, and mustard. And there are crops in this list that was not mentioned in chapter 3. They made earthen pots. Some of these were grey in color. Others were red. One special type of potty found these sites is known as paint. Grey were an obvious from the name. These grey pots paint designed usually simply lines and geometric pattern. Mahajanpat. About 25 years ago, some Janpat becomes more important than other and were known as a Mahajanpat. Some of these are shown on map. Most Mahajanpat has capital city. Many of these were fortified. This means that huge walls of wood, bricks to stone were built around them. Forty were probably built because people were afraid of attack from other kings and needed protection. It is also likely that some ruler wanted to show how rich and powerful they were by building really large and tall, impressive wall around their cities. Also, in this way, the land and the people living inside the fortified areas could be controlled more easily by the king. Building such huge wall required a great deal of planning. Thousands, if not lakhs, of bricks or stone had to be prepared. This instant meant enormous labors and provided possibly by thousands of men, women, and children, and resources had to be found for all of these. The new Rajas now began maintaining the army. Soldiers were paid regular salaries and maintained by the king throughout this year. Some payment were probably made using punch marked coins. See the illustration of page 75. You will be read more about these coins in chapter 8. List two ways in which the Rajas of this Mahajanpat were differently from those mentioned in the Rig Veda. As a ruler of Mahajanpat were the building huge fort, maintaining big armies, they needed more resources than they needed officially to collect these. So instead of depending of occasional gift brought by people, as in these cases of Rajrodha Janpat, they started collecting regular taxes. Taxes on crop, taxes of craft person, herder paid taxes, animals and animal produce, taxes good through trade, hunter and gatherer had to provide forest produce. Together, what do you think would have been the provided by the hunter and gatherer? Change in agriculture. There were two major changes in agriculture around this time. One was the growing use iron plough. This means that heavy clay soil and could be turned over the better than with a wood plowshare, so that more grain could be produced. Second, people begin transplanting paddy. This means that instead of secreting a seed on this ground from which plant and wood separate and sapling were grown and then planted in the field. This led to increased and production as many more planted survived. Can you think why kings would encourage these changes? A look at Mehagam. Find Mehagam map force Mehagar become the most important Mahajanpat about 200 years. Many rivers such as the Ganga and Sun flow through the Magad. This was important for transport. Water supplies to making the land fertile part of the Magad. Were forest elephant which lived in the forest could be captured and trained for the armies. Forest also provided wood for the building houses, carts, charities. Beside there were iron ore mines in the regions that could be tapped to the make strong tools and weapons. Magad had two very powerful rulers, Bimbisam, Ajat who used all possible means to conquer. Other Janpad, Mahajanpad Nand was another important ruler. He extended his control of the northwest part of subcontinent. Rajgarh, present-day Rajgir in Bihar, was the capital of Magad, and several years later the capital was shifted to Patliputra, present-day Patna. More than 23 years ago, a ruler named Alexander, who lived in Macedonian Europe, wanted to become a world conqueror. Of course, he did not conquer the world, but did not conquer a part of Egypt and West Asia and came to the Indian. some continent reaching up to be the bank of the bases. When he wanted to the march further eastward, his soldiers refused. They were sacred as they had. Here that the rulers of India had vast armies of foot soldiers, chariots, and elephants. In that ways were these armies different from those described in Rigved, a closer book. While Magad became a powerful kingdom, Vazis with its capital Vaishali, Bihar was under different from government known as Garn Shang in the Gurna Shang. There were not one but many ruler and each one was known as the Raja. These Rajas perform a rituals together. They also meet in assemblies and decide what had to be done out through the discussion and debate for example if they were attached by an enemies they met to discuss what should be done to meet the threat. However, women comes in could not participate in this Vaishali. This is an account for the was from the Disha famous Buddhist books which is contained some of the speeches of Buddhas. These were written down about 23 years ago. Ajasatru and Vajis. Ajasatru wanted to attack to the Vajis. He sent his master named Pershagan to the Buddha to get this advice on the matter. The Buddha asked him whether the Vajis matters and frankly at a full assemblies. When he heard that they did, he replied that the Vajis would continue to prosper as long as they held a full and frankly a public assemblies. They meet and acted together. They followed assembly rulers. They respected, supported, and listened to elders. Vajis Mona were not held by the force and captures. Chhattisgarh laws were maintained in both towns and village. Wisely and who followed different beliefs were respected and allowed to enter and leave them country freely. In what ways was the Vajis sung and different from another Mahajanpad? Try and list at least three differences. Rajas were powerful kingdom tried to conquer them. Sung never say these lasted for a very long time till about 15 years ago when the last of the Garden Sung were conquered by the Gupta rulers about whom you will be read in chapter 9. Imagine. You are preparing through the crack in the walls of the assembly of Vaishali, where a meeting in a progress discuss way to deal with attached by the king of Magad. Describe what do you might cares.